Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you on how to fix the problem of product link not connect or not load from browser to the app on 1688 Chinese shopping app. I have a case study about this that I'm going to show you on how to actually fix the problem without any stress. So let's get started. First thing first, I'm going to go ahead and head over to my WhatsApp. So I'm going to click on here to open up my WhatsApp. So recently someone reached out to me to buy product for them on 1688. So this is the contact right here. So I'm going to use this contact as an example. Now, these are the product links that are usually sent by different people that want us to buy for them. And in some cases, when you load the product link, you find out that the product is not connected. How do you fix the problem? For instance, if I click on this link right here, so let's find out. So when I click on the link, take a look at what happened right here. Now, this is a security question, and this thing has given a lot of people serious headache about it, and I decided to make a video to solve this particular problem of this link not load or not connect to 1688 app. And if you find this tutorial useful, remember to share this video to other people that are facing the same challenges of link not load on browser to 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Now, the very first method to use to solve this problem here is that if you take a look at this, it has been fully translated into English language. However, if your own was not translated to English language, go ahead and click on these three dots right here. In whatever browser you are using, then make sure you look for translate and then choose your translated language. So in my own end here, I'm using English translated. So here, please follow the instruction to verify. Release the slider immediately after two pillows fully appear. Just like this is the first instruction right here. So what this simply means is that we need to make sure we drag this particular slider until we find out that two pillows appear. So let's go. So what I'm going to do here now is to drag first pillow and second pillow, just like so. And once it is get to second pillow, we have to release. Then let's find out if the security verification pass. Now, once the verification pass, it's going to load and open the product on the browser right here. Once it opens the product on the browser, we can click on open app. Then automatically it will redirect us to 1688 app right here, and it will redirect us to the exact same product page, just like what you see right here. So this is one of the first method to fix this particular problem of product not load from the web browser automatically connected to 1688 app. So let me quickly give you the second method. The second method is a situation whereby you make use of product code. Instead of this person to send you product link, it is also advisable that they can as well send you a product code. How can you get the product code and how can you use it on 1688 in order to fix this particular problem perfectly? For that, go ahead and click on here to get the product code. So we can use this same product here as an example, or better still, let me go back to 1688 homepage right here. So we're going to make use of a particular product. So let me say we want to make use of this particular product right here. So I'm going to go ahead now and click on the product link. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on here to proceed. So just like so, we are now in the product sales page. Next thing I'm going to do here is to go ahead and click on here. The next thing we want to do here to get the product code, we need to make sure we click on this icon right here. Instead of click on link, you now click on this icon. So do not click on copy link anymore. So go ahead and click on this icon. Once you click on it, it's going to generate a QR code right here. Just like so. So you have the product key hard code right here. So what you need to do right here is to take a screenshot, or better still, you can click on this download icon, which allow you to download the full page. But the most effective one here is that just take a screenshot. So I'm going to go ahead now and take a screenshot. Once I take a screenshot, then I will now crop. So crop off to the end where you have the exact QR code, just like so. So this is the only thing I need right here. I'm going to save it on my phone. Once we crop, then we can go back to the 1688 homepage and see how we can eventually use this particular product key hard code to locate the exact product. Let me quickly refresh from the homepage. So the product is no longer in the homepage, and we still want to track the exact product in the 1688 app right here. So for that, what we want to do is to go ahead and click on this icon right here. So go ahead and click on that, and the camera is going to open. Go ahead and select the QR code, and in a few seconds it's going to scan and automatically connect you to the exact product page on 1688 Chinese shopping app. Just like what you see right here. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to fix the problem of product link not load or not connect from the web to 1688 Chinese shopping app. You can either copy product link, or better still, you can either use product code in order to fix this particular problem perfectly. Let me know what you think about this particular tutorial in the comment section down below. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, Idofish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.